For sale, 2017 Freightliner M2 Altec AN55E 60-foot articulating boom bucket truck. The 2017 Freightliner M2 is a heavy-duty utility truck configured with an Altec AN55E articulating boom, engineered for exceptional aerial reach and reliability. Powered by a Cummins ISB 6.7-liter turbo diesel engine producing 325 horsepower and paired with an Allison 3500RDS 5-speed automatic transmission, it provides the torque, power, and efficiency needed for utility, electrical, and maintenance work. With a 39,000-pound GVWR, 196-inch wheelbase, and spring suspension, this unit offers the perfect balance of durability and stability. The Altec AN55E aerial device delivers a 55.1-foot platform height, 60.1-foot maximum working height, and 37.7-foot side reach, with a 700-pound two-man end-mounted platform. The boom is electrically insulated, Category C, and features 4 A-frame outriggers, a material handling jib rated for 1,600 pounds, hydraulic tool circuits at the platform, and the Altec ISO-Grip control system for precise, safe operation. The platform leveling system and low-range transfer case further enhance control and functionality in field conditions. This truck is equipped with aluminum front wheels, cruise control, and presence in white with a gray interior. It has 8,090 engine hours and has been fleet maintained as a one-owner vehicle with a clean Carfax and accident-free history. The 2017 Freightliner M2 with Altec AN55E boom represents a reliable, work-ready solution for utility companies, electrical contractors, and municipalities requiring a high-reach, insulated aerial truck.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.